and welcome to part 1 of our One Thing Spotlight series. Each part covers 4 products based on their benefits, and if you experience redness, acne or irritation, then this video is for you. We'll look at what these products do, when and how to use them, and what you can pair it with. First up, we have Houttuynia cordata. Also known as Isongcho extract, it has a lightweight, watery texture. It helps remove impurities, unclog pores, and soothe troubled or acne-prone skin. It's really rich in amino acids and has antioxidant properties that keep your skin healthy and supple. Suitable for all skin types as well, it can be used both day and night and along with any other ingredients and actives. A universal ingredient, it also pairs well with other pore clearing ingredients like salicylic acid, niacinamide, or any soothing or hydrating ingredients. You can use the extract as is as a toner or mix it in with a moisturizer. You can also use it in your regular hair care routine as an addition to your shampoo or as a rinse or as a scalp mist or scalp tonic. Next up, we have Artemisia capillaris. Also popularly known as mugwort, it is known to have healing and soothing effects on the skin. The One Thing extract uses the Indian Artemisia plant in particular, which is grown in South Korea. It's actually quite a hardy plant and is even able to withstand the cold winters. It has a thin, watery texture that easily absorbs into your skin as well. Now, this extract is perfect for you if you experience redness, irritation, dehydration, or want to strengthen your barrier. The Artemisia extract can be used both day and night and along with any other ingredients and actives, as it doesn't interact with or cause any kind of reaction. It is rich in antioxidants that help prevent free radical damage and provide an anti-aging effect, and can be found in quite a number of Korean beauty products. If you're using a lot of actives and want a good ingredient to buffer the effects, then definitely check out this extract. You can use it as a toner, put it into your moisturizer, or put it in a mist and use it through the day. Next up, we have the ever popular Centella Asiatica extract. The One Thing Centella extract uses 95% of Centella gathered from Jeju Island in South Korea. This particular toner extract is made using only the locally grown Centella Asiatica plant and is 100% plant-based. Also known as gotu kola or tiger grass, it's a widely used ingredient that helps calm redness, breakouts, or irritation. It's ideal for use if you have acne-prone or sensitive skin. It also helps mildly improve your skin tone and pigmentation over time, as well as boost your skin's elasticity. Because it's such a gentle ingredient, it can be used both day and night and along with any other ingredients, whether they're hydrating, exfoliating, brightening, barrier repairing, etc. It can be used by itself, but a great method is to apply it onto a toner pad and leave that on your face to help soothe and calm any kind of redness, irritation, or breakouts. Or even mix it in with powdered masks. The One Thing Centella Soothing Cream brings you the benefits of Centella in a soothing essence-like formula that leaves no stickiness. Its smooth texture is suitable for all skin types as it is quickly absorbed on application. The product doesn't use any artificial additives and is really safe to use on sensitive skin as well. It's formulated with plant-based ingredient Centella and also uses beta-glucan. Centella is well known for its skin-soothing properties to calm sensitive skin, help repair any damage, and soothe any breakouts. Beta-glucan, a sugar found in plant cells, provides rich moisture and anti-aging benefits as it maintains the suppleness of your skin. The cream provides long-lasting hydration as well and honestly leaves your skin feeling super moisturized, plump, and healthy. This cream is perfect if you have redness, dehydration, oily to combination skin, and you can use it day and night, especially since it's so light and easily sinks in. It's perfect for the hot climate in India and also for layering in the cooler winter months. Because it's such a gentle cream, you can also use it with any other ingredients and with any actives in your routine. For double the benefit, we highly recommend using it with the Centella Asiatica extract from One Thing as well. We hope this helped and thank you for watching. See you in our next video.